Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to download live wallpaper for computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have a folder for the live wallpapers. Okay? So to do that, you want to right click on your desktop, click on new, and select a folder. Then now just go ahead and name your folder. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete this because I already have this folder. Okay, so now what I want you to do is to open your browser and search for desktop live wallpaper. Okay, and now I want you to click on the Microsoft link. So just go ahead and click on it. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Okay, so right here. So now I want you to do is to click on Get in Store App, click on Open Microsoft Store, okay? So now just go ahead and click on Get button. Then let's just wait for it. So now it is now downloading and it should take a minute or two. So we just need to wait for it, okay? As you can see, it requires 418.6 megabytes. So you need to make sure that you have that kind of space on your device or storage, okay? So now as you can see, the desktop live wallpapers is now downloaded. So I want you to do is to click on open. So let's just download something for this application. Okay, so let's just wait for it. So now it is now downloaded on my device. So now let's just try again to open it. So I'm just gonna click on the downloaded button right here and this popped up. So now as you can see that Windows desktop runtime is used to run Windows Forms and WPF applications on your computer. So this application is necessary in this tutorial. So let's just go ahead and click on install again. So now I'll be back again once this thing is downloaded on my device. So now as you can see, I've already opened the desktop live wallpapers application on my computer. So as you can see, I already have the live wallpaper, right? So now I'm just going to show you on how to download a new live wallpaper on your device. Okay, so now just go ahead and search again for live wallpapers. I'm sorry, desktop live wallpaper. Okay, so now I want you to use this link, the mylifewallpapers.com. Okay, but you can also use any link that you want. So here you can just go ahead and choose any genre that you want. I'm just gonna choose nature. So now just go ahead and choose any live wallpapers that you want. And I'm just gonna choose this one. So just go ahead and click on that. Okay. So this is the wallpaper that I've chose. So now just go ahead and click on download. Okay. So now once you've clicked on download, just go ahead and wait for it to be downloaded. Okay. And after that, what I need you to do is to open again a new tab and search for cloudconvert.com. Okay. So once you've clicked on it, you want to click on select file, or you can use by URL from Google Drive, from Dropbox, or from OneDrive. Okay. So you can view this by clicking the drop-down arrow at the right side of select file. So now I'm just going to choose the wallpaper that I've selected earlier. So now just go ahead and click here at the drop-down arrow. And I want you to click or choose the WMV. And now just go ahead and click on convert. So now let's just wait for it to be downloaded on my device. So just go ahead and click on download again. So now it is now downloading at the upper right corner of my screen. You can see the downloads section right there. So now let's just wait for it. So now once your live wallpaper is downloaded, you need to make sure that you put it on a folder, okay? So now just go ahead and open your desktop live wallpaper application. Then just go ahead and add your live paper right here. So to do that, just go ahead and click on collection and click on browse and choose the folder where your live wallpaper is I'm sorry. So now just go ahead and click on the wallpaper to set it as a background. Okay. So now when we view my desktop, as you can see, this is the live wallpaper I'd selected earlier. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.